I've been sitting here watching the whole time, but I still can't figure out how do you make the shiny texture so well. It's very simple. Let me show you the steps. Let's do a bowl. Very simple elf magic. No, shut up. So, first layer, multiply. Pick a color that is like your base color but darker and darker. And also less saturated. Now, after you've done this, alpha lock this multiply layer. Pick a very lighter and more, how do you say, saturated color, and the color only like the ring here. Now pick another layer, add the glow, pick your base color and paint it down here. Now make another layer, add the glow, and you make a reflection, but the trick honestly is to make it tiny. If you make it too big, it's not gonna look as shiny. I don't know how this works. So make your little reflection. Now multiply this layer, lock the one that is under, fill it with a different color like a darker purple or something, and then Gaussian blur and blur it like this. Now make another layer, add glow, pick like a sparkle brush and do this. At this point, make a new add glow layer and pick a color that is different than the one that you have. Like we have pink, so I can use like a blue. And make a reflection like on the bottom or something. Put this to a lower opacity. Now take the liquify tool and start abusing this layer like Okay, at this point erase some of it here and there randomly. Continue editing until it tastes good. Then you can add more sparkles everywhere. Maybe more reflections here and there, just as you prefer. Right? Okay, now I just explained you. You cannot say anymore that you don't know how to do this.